Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Today I'm going to share with you a statistics and going to draw you a point for all the couples out there who have started comparing their lives with couples on social media. I hear this very often when I have these people coming into me for counseling saying that my friend keeps traveling with her husband. Her husband is so caring. His wife is so good. She makes such lovely stuff for him and all of those things, right? So today I'm going to give you an eye opener that will make you understand the reality behind social media posting. So Shortkit is a company that had conducted a survey with 2,000 couples between the age group of 18 to 50, right? Just to find out their relationship versus the social media habits. So what turned out of that survey was they found out that the couples that posted pictures of them at least 3 to 4 times a week, be it selfies or be just casual lovey-dovey photos of theirs on social media, compared to the couples that were not active online and not there on social media with their relationship. So, the couples that posted these pictures 3 to 4 times a week were 128% unhappier compared to the couples who kept their relationship private and had absolutely nothing to do on social media with it. Shocking, surprising. This is exactly what I also tell my clients when they come to me. Please do not just blindly have a black cloth on your eyes and just believe what you see out there on social media. It's a huge fake world out there. People are not what they seem to be, what they portray, and what they are actually behind that screen of yours. Trust me, guys. Let me also tell you a small story just to reiterate this fact and these statistics and this data that I shared with you. There was a very close friend of mine whose husband was not very expressive. He loved her really a lot, but then many of the men are not expressive. My husband is not expressive as well, but that doesn't mean that that person doesn't love you deep within, right? So this lady always had this issue that she had a friend who was always very had a husband who always boasted saying that my husband does this for me, he bought this for me, and all those stories. One fine day, it just so happened that her husband came back home, and at the dinner table they were discussing something, and it just so happened there was some discussion, I don't remember, and she just happened to say, you are not like him. See, my friend's husband is so caring, and he does this and all that. He got a little tipped off, and he said, see, if that being the case, what more do you want me to do? You can tell me, maybe I'll do it. She got very upset and she walked out of the house. So the friend stayed close by in the next, lane. So she was very upset. So she just wanted to go and share herself with, her. So she walked, and, the door was open. It was not latched. And before she could ring the bell, she just heard loud noises coming out of the house. So she just happened to overhear the conversation that was happening between her friend and her husband. And the entire conversation, when she heard, she realized that they had a very sour and a very bitter relationship. They were arguing, they were fighting, screeching, abusing each other. And she just came back home with a very heavy heart and with a lot of tears in her eyes to her husband, and she apologized saying, I'm really sorry. I compared myself to somebody who wasn't even true to me. Trust me, guys, sometimes until and unless you know somebody in and out, you know their life very, very closely, please do not believe anything that people around tell you. Sometimes it might just be, there can be two reasons that people lie, specifically in case of couples. One reason could be that they are just wanting to be being happy themselves within, giving themselves a false happiness in their head that, okay, at least when I'm talking something like that to somebody, it will make me feel good because my relationship is not good back home. And the other reason could just purely be to make things worse for yourself. Today people are jealous, they are not happy if you're happy with a lot of things. That's exactly what is having toxic people around you. You need to really find out who are your true friends, make that inner circle of yours with really, really close ones, and remove these toxic people and people who do not wish that you be happy. So please, my dear couples out there, next time when you ever see a Instagram or a Facebook or any other social media post which is very lovey-dovey and you really think that, oh my god, life is so green, they are just like, these couples are just like out of a Yash Chopra movie, singing and dancing in the mountains, please understand that it isn't the case. A lot of people are posting this just to fill in their hollow inside. Their relationship you will be worse than yours and you wouldn't even imagine how it is, and you can just, all that you have to do is just value what you have. Of course, see, when we are couples, we'll have a lot of issues, right? Because you're two different people, but that's absolutely fine. At the end of the day, what is love about? It's all about making those small, I wouldn't say adjustments. I always say that, people have started using that word to a lot of negativity these days. They are not adjustments. When you are in a relationship, you are only trying to make your whole thing work together because you are a team. Adjustments is the wrong word that we use. It's not adjustments, it's just making a life comfortable for each other and making those things happen so that both of you together can make an absolute big heart and be happy about it. Do let me know how this data helped you, how this helped you change your perspective towards your husband or towards your wife. And please, 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 it's a request, do not believe the social media frenzy that's on these days. Any of you need any kind of help in couple counseling, you are going through a rough patch in your relationship, my number is flashed right up there. You can WhatsApp me for an appointment and we can get in touch and we can have a chat. And no problem is so big that it cannot be sorted. It's just that you need a different perspective. Sometimes you just need to get out of your mind and understand, probably take somebody else's mindset, and things will be sorted. Do share this video with every couple that you feel is like this and needs to see this, so that they can have this in mind always, and next time they are not negative about their relationship just by looking at the social media images of others. Do let me know how this thought clicked with you. Until then, it's me, Neha, signing off. Bye-bye. Do subscribe to my channel and you can call or WhatsApp on the number flashed on the screen for couple counseling.